So guys, I bet just watch this video now. You go see as this truck driver take hit this private car. Okay, as they stop this truck driver to even stop a load safe now problem to them. Why this thing they always happen for Nigeria? Why this thing they happen? Now the truck, the name not there. Whether na Dangote, whether na Abua, we don't know. But why this thing they always they repeat themselves? For instance, now inside bush this thief will happen. So now say you go for your take buy this motor, cross the motor, pass on top, then you go run. Now for inside town now, none of your feelings stop now. I don't know. At least government need to talk for this thing. This byway truck driver, the bad people in this country, is not good at all. No matter what thing will happen. Truck driver, even trucks, the truck need to get their own lane. Truck need to get their own lane. Truck no confident they follow people they drag normal road. And if anything happen now, the rest will stop, you don't stop. Come down for your truck, you don't come down. You don't see they happen. So see they happen. Truck driver would they get right. After you even hit person, you see they get right. Only from Nigeria, I know so this kind of thing they happen. But other country know if it happen. Other country, this kind of thing know if it happen. Just imagine. You see truck upon the numerous people where Dangote driver don't buy already. When you talk about Dangote you about two Dangote no, this one not they happen again. All these truck driver, they need to be law. Government need to put law say any truck driver when mistakenly buy anybody or hit anybody. If you hit any car, you buy new car. If you buy person, even at 20 billion or 30 billion one pay, may you pay her. Because if they don't pay such money, they don't go ever get sense. And if you look this truck driver there when this truck driver don't even get license. No license, people don't get license. The one where I put for Auchi, where the wife and sister, that truck driver never get license. But if that private car mistakenly hits on that mistakenly they will catch you for road now, you don't get driving license now. Then they happy. They don't go book you. But you see truck drivers, they don't get driving license. They will book by person, nothing go happen. I'm going to share this video. The whole world need to see this video now. Share this video. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. This is too much now. It's not too much. Because if you don't talk, your mouth will smell.